How to enable wake on wrist raise as well as wake on crown up for your Apple smartwatch. From the clock face, you'll press down on the crown here and you'll be taken to all the apps on your watch. Just look for the settings, or if you're in the grid view, just go ahead and scroll down until you see settings. Once in the settings section, you'll go down to where it says display and brightness. Tap on that once, then go down until you see the wake section. From here, you'll go ahead and turn on the wake on wrist raise and the wake on crown up. So basically with these two features enabled, you can easily wake up your smartwatch while it's in the lock mode or sleep mode, wake it up by raising your wrist or by wake on crown up on your smartwatch using this guy right here, okay? Like, sub, thanks for watching.